Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create custom frames to create a custom collage. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to show you how I went from this to this, and I'm just going to take a picture out and just show you that that's actually a frame in just a few steps. So I'm going to come back up here and I'm just going to delete that for a sec and to show you that these are shapes. They are squares. So what I did is I just came in here and I selected a shape, and I just took that shape and put it in here, and I made it just a little bit larger like that, and then I copied it 3 times. I copied that and I brought it down here, and then I created 2 other squares here. Now you can use any combination of shapes that you like. You don't have to be limited by squares, but I do highly recommend that you change the color of those shapes to black. Okay, and for the center I chose a heart. So how do you find the heart? Well, you can just select the square, and you'll notice up here that you'll see the menu icon for shapes. You can just click that, and you don't have to select a heart. You can select any shape that you like, a circle, another square that's looks like a diamond, these other types of shapes, anything. But I'm going to choose the heart because I want to replicate the design that I created. So I'm just going to select the heart there, and maybe this time I'm going to twist it this way, and I'm just going to make it larger. Now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a border around here, and before I continue, I'm just going to change the shape of that color to black. And now I'm going to come here, I'm going to select the border, and I'm going to select white for my, oops, sorry about that, but I would go into there, and I got my border, and now I'm going to change my border color right here, and I'm going to change it to white, and inside the shape I'm going to change it to black. Now the border, I'm just going to make it a little bit larger like that, and maybe I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger because I want the lines to overlap into the other shapes. Okay, so we're pretty much done with this. We are going to download it as a PNG, and you don't need to make it transparent. It's fine like this. I'm only going to download the first page, and so page 1, a PNG. Okay, I'm going to download that. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to a website called convertor.io, and we're going to take that shape that I just downloaded, which is right here, and I'm just going to drag it here. And now I'm going to come here and I'm going to convert it to a vector. Okay, I'm going to select convert. And I'm going to download now. Okay, and okay. Okay, so I'm just going to create another page so that I can, I'll know where to bring that design. But before I do that, I need to go into Word. So I'm opening up Word. I'm opening up a blank document, And I'm going to insert my picture that I just downloaded. So I'm going to go to download, and this is my image right here. So I'm going to insert it, and here it is, and you'll notice that the heart is facing the other way. And now you'll see a button here called Convert to Shape. I am going to click that, and it's going to convert it to a shape. Now there might be a another document in behind it, and if there is, you can just delete it. But from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Shape Format, and we're going to go to Shape Fill, and we are going to insert a picture in here. And it could be any picture. It's just going to be a placeholder. So I'm going to choose that one, and you'll see that it's replaced all of the black shapes with that picture. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to come to File, and I'm going to select Save As, and I'm just going to save this in my downloads here, and I'm going to save this as my custom frame with heart PDF 2, and the type of document is going to be PDF. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Okay, I'm going to minimize this now, and so here's that blank workspace. I'm going to come in here to Uploads, and I'm going to upload that PDF. This is the PDF. Okay, so it's uploading over here. Let's just give it a sec, and now I'm going to go to Projects, and here is that document that we just converted, the shapes. I'm going to select it, and here it is. Now I'm going to just select all of it, and then I'm going to make it larger, because if I select one, then it's just going to break it apart from the rest of the frames, and I'll show you what I mean. So if I click that and then I move it, it's going to come apart. So you don't want that to happen, or maybe you do. I don't know. Anyhow, so at this point, what we can do is we've got it clicked, and we can just press delete, and that will delete that image placeholder from the frame. Okay, and we can do that for all of them. And now we have our frame. It's like magic. And now what you can do is you can just come to Pictures, and I'm just going to select dogs right now, and I'm going to go to Photos, and so I'm going to select that one, and I'm going to put that in there. I got some puppies, put them in there. I got a little Yorkie. And if you want to just reposition them, just double click, and you can reposition. Now from here, you can download it as a PNG, and then you can place it in a frame like this. You can upload it back up, and then you can find a frame, and you can just put that frame on top. Or you can find a mock-up type of frame, or for example, picture frames. You can search picture frames, and so here is a picture frame here, so you can just grab the picture and you can try and put it in there, so like that. Okay, so those are just two options of what you can do with this picture collage. Okay, I think you get the idea. So if, again, if you found any part of this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to receive notification of when new content comes out. Thank you, my friends, for joining me. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.